Hello, my name is Ash with Cool Kids Knit, and today I'm going to show you how to knit holding two strands of yarn and how it differs from knitting with just one strand. Okay, so really quickly, I just wanted to show you the difference that it makes when you knit with two strands versus one strand. This is the exact same yarn. It's the Andean yarn from Sierra Yarns, and as you can see, the stitch is much smaller than this one. This project here is the Dreamcloud Blanket by Sierra Yarns, and in the pattern it states to knit holding two strands. So as you can see, the stitches are much bigger than these stitches here knitted with just one strand. The other difference you'll see is that my knitting needle for the double strand is twice the size as my knitting needles for the one-stranded piece. You can see this is a 6.5mm needle and this one's a 12mm needle. This piece right here is much more flowy and thin, which is perfect for the cardigan I'm going for. And this piece right here is a blanket, so with the double strand, it makes it more thick and cozy. Here's the row I'm currently working on, and if you pull it apart, you can see it's double-stranded. You can see the two strands there on here. So whenever you knit with two strands, you have to make sure that you pick up both strands, otherwise you'll end up with a loop down here from just one strand. I'm just going to demonstrate how to knit holding two strands. I'll make a quick little swatch here. These are 10mm needles, which are smaller, but my 12mm needles are being used for the blanket right now. So I'll just demonstrate with this. So knitting with two strands, or held double is what it's commonly called. It's just like knitting regularly, except it's with two strands, obviously. So make sure they are lined up, and you're just going to knit normally. So tie that slip knot, and just begin knitting normally, just picking up both of those strands. Just like that. Knitting with two strands can be a little tricky if you've never done it before, just because you have to make sure that you keep things neat and untangled. So it's essentially the same thing as just knitting with one strand. The only difference, like I mentioned, is you just have to be careful about not dropping stitches. Make sure when you're picking up your strand, you're picking up both strands at all times. You also want to make sure that you don't accidentally split your yarn. So while I'm knitting along, and if this gets caught, you end up only knitting one strand and then this one gets stuck behind. So you always want to make sure that you're knitting with both strands at all time. Just pretend it's one large piece of yarn and it's all together. But that's it, and that's how you knit with two strands. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or concerns, go ahead and comment down below and we'll get to them as soon as we can.